on reaching one cheesecake slice per day of the week, but Cheesecake Factory all time. Today is Tuesday, 14 July 2026 AD, and here I, Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, reflect on completing a base layer of my Tanis eating at the Cheesecake Factory. It says one slice of cheesecake purchased on site and eaten same day from the Cheesecake Factory for each day of the week. I started this in July 2025 and completed in December 2025. A 5-month spread. It took me 5 counted months. So it marked my first time achieving the feat across all the Cheesecake Factory locations. Yeah, so it was something I had not really done before. Eaten cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Now, the family I was raised with, there were family members that was true for. However, myself, I saved it and went on the journey solo. So the first, and I'm going to go through them. So this is a kind of phrasing terminology. First slice of the Cheesecake Factory cheesecake I ate on blank day. So and then it fills in per day of the week. So for Sunday, that was a slice of pineapple upside down cheesecake. Or a slice of pineapple upside down cheesecake. It was 23 November 2025 and was a Thanksgiving with Tanis item. Monday was a slice of original cheesecake, 15 September 2025. Tuesday was a slice of peppermint stick chocolate swirl cheesecake, 2 December 2025. It was a new/seasonal menu item added in 2025. Wednesday was a slice of Godiva chocolate cheesecake, 23 July 2026. Thursday it was a slice of very Ghirardelli, a slice of very cherry Ghirardelli chocolate cheesecake, which was 7 August 2025. Friday it was a slice of pumpkin cheesecake, 17 October 2025, which was a seasonal item added in 2024. And then Saturday it was a slice of original cheesecake, 20 December 2025. So the original cheesecake had a slice in there 2 times, and then the most dominant flavor, as in the flavor there the most, was chocolate, which was in 3 different slices of cheesecake. So very true to me. Tanis here of Seattle, and so I did it, and it was good and excellent food per my tastes. Okay, so there we go. I mean, still it kept my dream alive for an infinity diet.